Black Shark Crypto, Tap Bots, Airdrops, Trading. Black Shark Crypto.
So welcome back to my channel. At this point, we are going to talk about Blum and some factors surrounding Blum at this very point and some of their updates. And also, I'm going to give you Blum YouTube Codes, yes, that you are going to use and earn massively. Let me show you. Click on Earn. Then on this end, you go to Academy. Then you will see that most of you have not done all these tasks. Hope you can see them. Most of you have not done them. And I'm going to give you their codes. Now, this is my other Blum account. And if you go to Earn, you will see that I have done everything. Go to Academy. You'll find out that they are all solved. All this problem has been solved. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's talk about the Blum drops. You know, of recently, if you are playing this Blum game, you'll find out that if you are playing the drop game, you also see Doxxing. Some people are also seeing NODOXXING here. And there are some updates that Blum is doing right away, which will make it spread around to everybody. Okay? And some people have not yet activated their own. So on some people's account, you can barely activate it manually. And I'm going to show you how you are going to do that right away. And some people's own have not yet been activated yet. Yes, I know what I'm saying. So the question is, how do you activate your Blum drop and receive Doxxing and also NODOXXING? So what you need to do is go over to this place. See this section that says wallet. Good. Click on your wallet. You will see something like this. Some people, it will tell you activate. Click here and activate Doxxing on your drop game. And some people's own, it will not show like that. So if yours is not showing here, see where else you need to go. Go on your point and click on your point. It will definitely show here. Mine appeared this morning and also disappeared. And it appeared again and disappeared, which means it's an update. So go and check yours. Your own might have appeared and should have appeared now. So all you need to do is click over to this section and activate it. You'll see something like activate. Then you now activate it. Some people own will be activated manually for them, automatically to be activated, and some people you need to activate it manually. So after watching this video, go and check it. So don't pen the video yet. Let's go and solve the other mystery. So go to your earning section. On this your earning section, so let me show you how you are going to do it very fast. So first of all, go and watch all this. You might watch it for a few seconds like this. You open it, you also close it. You see, it will verify. The next one, you also do the same thing. Also come back. Then this one, you also minimize it and close it, because I'm going to give you the code right away. And let it show something like this, verify. Doing this means it will be easy for you. So let's do it. So if you can see, I've done all these ones and I can vividly claim it on my own. These ones, you don't even require your video codes for it. You can just watch it and you participate. But the ones that required a video code is the one I'm going to give you, and we are going to do it face to face. You will see me doing it, and we'll also drop the codes on the description box. This one, you need to join a clan. Don't worry, you can actually join my clan for that, or you can join any other clan. So on this first one, you'll see the first one, we call it, this one is Blum Explorer. Look at it. If you put it, it will say claim. Okay, and you do your thing. Now the second one, this one we call it SOBLUM. You can see me doing it. You can actually do yours. It will work the same way it's doing. Token burning, that is ONFIRE. Don't worry, let me go and fill it up so you actually know that I actually did it. So I have done it. So I need to claim them now. With this step, you are good to go. So let's go back and check what we have achieved so far. From 3,000 to 13,000. Wow, this massive. And I have also done more tasks and I've also earned more. So if you have not started, I'm going to drop the link on the description box. I mean, if you have not started farming your Blum, Blum is a very big airdrop and a very big project that you don't actually need to miss. So if I've dropped the link right away, start it, and those project codes, those airdrop codes, I will drop it on the description box, so you will click on it and you start farming. Make sure that you subscribe and also stay tuned for more important updates out there. Thank you.
Visit site blackshark.store.